Please make sure your sound is on. If you or a loved one is trying to maintain a healthy heart, normal blood pressure, and overall healthy brain, joints, and eyes, then you're probably flooded with tons of ideas, many that contradict one another. What if there were a natural breakthrough that allowed you to maintain healthy blood pressure, healthy blood flow, and an overall boost in energy as you age, without confusion, and is supported by proven research? You're about to discover a new breakthrough that not only supports healthy blood pressure, blood flow, energy, and help maintain normal cholesterol levels, but also floods your cells with an abundance of new antioxidants and nutrients that fights and repairs damage done to the cells in your arteries. You're also about to discover a deep sea omega-3 that has 500% more heart-supporting DHA than fish oil without the smelly fish burps. So make sure you stay tuned for that. But now, on to the first bit of exciting news. A renowned biochemist living near Seattle, Washington, has discovered one of the world's greatest antioxidants. And after 15 years of research and over $39 million spent on clinical studies, that now allows people to benefit. But this comes with a warning. Before you discover more about this breakthrough, you need to know that this short presentation is not going to be available forever. So you need to watch this to the very end today, right now. That's because the powerful information you're about to discover could be exactly what you've been looking for. This breakthrough has been shown to safely support healthy blood flow through arteries and help maintain healthy cholesterol levels, and this has been demonstrated in scientific studies. In one study, scientists took a group of patients with damaged artery walls and divided them into two groups. One group became the placebo. The other group was given a daily dose of this natural breakthrough. Both groups made no changes to their lifestyle. After 6 weeks, both groups of patients were assessed by the scientists. In the placebo group, there was no change. But when the patients taking this natural breakthrough were assessed, the scientists were astonished. That's because the patients had healthy blood flow. Their arteries were dilating much more easily, so the blood could flow through them unrestricted. This means their heart no longer had to overwork to pump blood through their arteries. As a result, the patients reduced their risk of potential heart attack and stroke, because of course, both of these conditions are linked with high blood pressure. Now, scientists conducted another study. In this study, patients were given 100 milligrams of this natural breakthrough as part of a tasty snack every day. Then, after 8 weeks, the patients were assessed. Again, the scientists were amazed. The patients had healthy cholesterol levels and triglyceride levels. So, what is this miracle antioxidant breakthrough more powerful than acai or resveratrol? It's called Senol. As you may know, Senol is extracted from marine algae found living in the deep waters of the Korean Sea. Marine species are the longest living of any species known to man. They live hundreds, even thousands of years because they contain highly potent substances and have unique molecular structures. Researchers have discovered that their secret to near eternal youth comes from their unique ability to protect and repair their own DNA. They also maintain high antioxidant levels throughout their lives, so they constantly beat back free radical damage and toxic invaders. That means that because Senol is made from this marine life, it's a powerful antioxidant. So when you take Senol, your body is able to fight and repair damage done to your body cells in your arteries. In fact, Senol is 4 times more powerful than the widely known antioxidant resveratrol. This means when you're taking Senol, your arteries and heart get the repair and protection that other antioxidants simply aren't able to offer them. And Senol is perfectly safe to take. Patients have taken tens of thousands of doses with no serious adverse conditions, and the case for Senol has been extensively proven. So, what does all this mean to you? Well, if you feel like you're aging faster than you'd like, or you desire a boost of energy, or simply put, you want to give yourself superior protection and nutrition based on research research, you now have a safe, proven ingredient. So you can safely maintain healthy blood flow throughout the body, healthy blood pressure, and protection from free radicals and oxidation. This means you'll enjoy long walks with your spouse, playing 18 holes of golf, or a 2-hour tennis match, or intense bouts of lovemaking, or playing with your grandchildren without becoming short of breath. And you can do these without the worry when you exercise or do any physical activity. But there's more important news you need to know about Senol. Senol is an extremely rare seaweed extract from Ecklonia cava, proven 100 times more powerful than any land-based antioxidant. It delivers off-the-charts antioxidant power. In fact, the antioxidant level of Senol is so high, it counteracts free radical damage in every cell that's in every organ throughout your entire body. Over 15 years of research and nearly $39 million worth of clinical studies back it up. It's the only FDA-approved Ecklonia cava marine algae extract in existence. Not only is Senol more potent, it stays in your body 12 hours compared to land-based antioxidants that work on for only 30 minutes, and even resveratrol is only 14 minutes. When taken twice a day, it gives you 24-hour protection against the main causes of accelerated aging, which we're going to address later in this video. Discovering this secret might just put years on your life, allowing you to age with vibrancy and vitality. But we didn't just stop our research with Senol. We wanted to find the perfect omega-3 on the planet, which led us to the deep sea omega-3 that has 500% more heart-supporting DHA than fish oil without the smelly fish burps. Now, as you may know, omega-3 fatty acids are essential nutrients for your body. They are the building blocks of virtually every tissue and cell in your body. For years, scientists thought fish oil was rich in two different kinds of omega-3 called EPA and DHA. However, they have now found that fish don't actually produce DHA. Instead, they get their DHA from eating algae or eating other fish that eat algae. So they are rich in EPA but have very little DHA in their bodies. Now, why is this important? It's important because the latest research shows that DHA, not EPA, is the real omega-3 workhorse. According to at least 25 clinical studies, DHA is more effective than EPA at normalizing blood pressure. DHA is more effective than EPA at improving blood circulation. And the higher the level of DHA, the fewer heart troubles. In addition, research shows DHA also improves nutrient-rich blood circulation. It naturally protects against devastating blood clots. It promotes normal blood thinning. Not only that, as an extra bonus, research shows that DHA comprises 95% of the omega-3 fatty acids in the brain and eyes. DHA does what EPA cannot do. It feeds your brain, boosts mental function, and helps halt mental decline. DHA acts like a protective shield to protect your eyes and preserve sharp vision. But unfortunately, fish oil is rich in EPA, not DHA. That's probably one of the reasons why, despite taking fish oil supplements, many people still run out of breath with only a little physical activity. And it's also probably why they're unable to support healthy blood pressure. But if fish oil doesn't have enough of the DHA your body needs to bring new hope to failing hearts, then what does? Super ingredient number 2 is calamine. It's a deep-sea omega-3 discovery that blows away every fish oil in existence. It delivers an unheard of 85% more DHA omega-3s to your heart, brain, joints, and eyes. Scientists have discovered that the type of omega-3 it contains is the true miracle worker. Not only is this the world's most powerful omega, but you can get more than 8 times the benefits of DHA than you do from fish oil without the burps and aftertaste. You will love this benefit. With this super omega, you can say goodbye to your fish oil and get the benefits of the Okinawan diet. For the first time ever, these two marine miracle nutrients have been combined for you. It's never been done before, but we're bringing you the first age-busting formula that combines Senol and calamine. It's called Marine D3. Why D3? Because it also includes a superior form of vitamin D3 to give you even more intense rejuvenation and repairing power. Research shows that this life-saving vitamin plays a key role in maintaining health in nearly every major system in the body, specifically your heart. Vitamin D deficiency causes increased activity of the hormone system that regulates blood pressure. Hardening of the arteries is bad for your blood pressure. Taking vitamin D has been shown to help maintain a healthy protein in your blood. The bad news, a whopping 75% of Americans simply don't get enough. Your cells are literally starving to death without it. With Marine D3, you have a rare and new combination designed to give your body its key nutrients to help support healthy aging for every part of your body. The good news is that it's a longevity breakthrough that you can benefit from now. Its extreme antioxidant power comes from joining 3 powerhouses. Each of these nutrients is tremendously effective on their own, but when combined for the first time ever in Marine D3, the synergy of all 3 delivers unprecedented benefits. Together, they help support healthy aging from every conceivable angle in nearly every system in your body. Nowadays, there's a lot of anti-aging garbage out there, supplements that claim to turn back the clock, but do little more than drain your wallet. We've never seen the kind of hard scientific proof that has me convinced that supporting your health and vibrancy longer is possible. With so many external forces threatening your health, you need your own army of antioxidants and nutrients to protect your cells. Just take a look. This is the before picture. Maintaining healthy, protected cells is a major key to good health and longevity. But the after picture, free radicals and toxins erode cells, speeding aging and inviting illness. How are your cells being attacked, forcing you to age faster? Here's what's really causing the destruction. Silent killer number 1 is cells that are poisoned by radicals and toxins. Every day our bodies and cells are under attack from free radicals and toxins from processed high-fat foods, pollution, everyday household chemicals, sun exposure, ozone, even stress. This causes the DNA inside cells to break down and lose their ability to make sharp carbon copies. Now, in a sense, our cells are slowly being poisoned to death, accelerating aging and disease. Silent killer number 2, nutritionally starved cells. Just like your body needs food to survive, your cells need nutrition to live. So when cells are not getting nutrients like life-giving omega-3s or essential vitamin D, they are literally starving to death. They slowly shrink and then die off. If you are not currently flooding your cells with life-giving nutrients now, then you are wide open to accelerating aging. This causes pain, excess water retention, fatigue, and problems with your eyes and memory. The good news is you can use diet and supplementation to support normal inflammation. You can instantly introduce your own personal health-restoring army, working at the cellular level for maximum antioxidant power, removing free radicals and nourishing cells. With Senol P, it floods your body with 2 to 10 times more antioxidant power than most other popular antioxidants. Senol is up to 10 times more powerful than any antioxidant on land, including vitamin C, vitamin E, blueberries, green tea, and red grape resveratrol. We believe it's one of the most powerful antioxidants available. That's why Marine D3 is chock full of Senol in its purest form. Its secret is its makeup of special polyphenol antioxidants that are a whopping 40% lipid or fat soluble. So unlike all land-based antioxidants that are water-soluble, Senol's protective compounds can get into things like the fatty tissues of your brain and penetrate all 3 layers of your cells, including the outside, the oil-based cell membranes, and your DNA. Research done at Tufts University showed that severe memory symptoms stopped or improved for 80% of people taking high doses of Senol for 8 weeks. You get pure Senol in every dose of Marine D3. Now let's talk about why all Senol is not the same. While Senol is becoming very popular, Marine D3 does not give you ordinary Senol. It contains Senol P, which is the only pure form, hence the P, of Senol. It's the exact kind used in the clinical trials. The P form is 7.7 times more potent than the other form on the market, Senol F, so you need less to get the same big benefits. Now be careful, unless a manufacturer lists the P after the Senol, it's not the pure form. The trouble is Senol F is diluted with additives to help the Senol get absorbed into your body. Senol is extremely hard to absorb. So, how is Marine D3 able to give you the undiluted pure form of Senol P without sacrificing absorption? Because Marine D3 includes absorption-enhancing Calamarine. Not only does Calamarine ensure that your body completely soaks in the Senol, it gives extraordinary benefits on its own. It's really a marine miracle. A new omega-3 discovery that blows away fish oil once and for all. It's called Calamarine, and it's unlike any fish oil or omega-3 supplement you have ever taken. In fact, it's not fish oil at all. Extracted from deep-sea squid found in the pure, clean waters off South America, Calamarine is a purified omega-3 oil. With Marine D3, you can throw away your fish oil and get your omega-3s without fish burps. As many people know these days, omega-3s are essential fatty acids you need to stay healthy and fight disease. The two most critical omega-3s are EPA and DHA, found mostly in fish oil. DHA is the real omega-3 miracle worker for your heart, brain, and eyes. What's so special about Calamarine and why I insisted it be in Marine D3 is that it delivers 85% more DHA than fish oil, and the newest research shows that DHA, not EPA, is the real omega-3 workhorse. The scientific evidence supporting the benefits of DHA over EPA is overwhelming. Did you know that omega-3 deficiency is the 6th leading cause of death? According to Harvard researchers, omega-3 deficiency causes up to 96,000 deaths per year. Many of these growing health problems can be traced directly to omega-3 deficiency. Remember, omega-3 is an essential fuel for your cells. Without it, your cells starve, shrink, and then die off, eventually choking off life to your heart and brain. Now here's another wake-up call. 99% of Americans don't get enough omega-3s. There are a whole slew of symptoms linked to omega-3 deficiency, but sadly, many are blamed on other problems. Now there's a better way. What's more, every batch of Calamarine that goes into Marine D3 undergoes a proprietary detoxification process, which removes all substances that could possibly increase oxidation. In fact, Calamarine is twice as stable as popular omega-3s from tuna. But that's not all. Look at the other benefits you receive by adding vitamin D3 to your daily routine. This is why I urge you to consider getting your supply of Marine D3. Right now, your heart is pumping strong. Your blood is flowing freely, carrying revitalizing nutrients to every part of your body. You feel alive and fully charged. This is how a healthy heart behaves. The good news is there's hope. That's why we search the globe to find the leading research and experts in integrative medicine, longevity, and wellness to create our own highly trained panel of real-world medical doctors, chiropractors, and researchers to create an amazing supplement with 3 different nutrients. In a moment, you can take advantage of this super supplement that can give you immediate results and, most importantly, results for life. But first, let's hear from Artie from Illinois. He said Marine D3 is the only thing that works for me. I take MD3 now exclusively. My blood pressure is normal. My cholesterol is normal. This is the real deal. It works like magic. I highly recommend it. This is from Charlie Dombeck. He's a CPA from Maryland. Charlie said, I love playing basketball and competing against the younger guys, but this past year, I've had more injuries than ever. After taking Marine D3 for 3 weeks, I feel like a new man. My favorite part is getting to play and feeling great. Now this is from Katie. She said, we are training to win gold in Russia 2014. We put a lot of wear and tear on our body. For fast recovery, Marine D3 gives the exact nutrients my body needs to feel great and be at my best. That's from Katie Eberling. She's a U.S. National Bobsled team member and a silver medalist in the 2012 World Championships. Not only are world-class athletes, professionals, boomers, and seniors happily using and spreading the word about Marine D3, but celebrity doctors and researchers are now talking about the key ways to age gracefully. Now, let's recap. If you feel tired and low on energy, if you're concerned about your heart health, if you're feeling the effects of aging far faster than you'd like, you could be suffering from cellular burnout, toxicity, or undernourishment, or even worse. The ingredients contained in Marine D3's proprietary blend literally flood your cells with a tsunami of life-giving nutrients that your body will benefit from, so you feel more youthful and vibrant. And I'm about to reveal how you can get your own personal supply of Marine D3 as a member of our VIP test group. You're about to get an opportunity to try the Rolls-Royce of longevity supplements. This means that harnessing these amazing ingredients is as easy as clicking the button when it appears below on this page. You see, Marine D3 is completely different than the low-quality supplements that you see filling the shelves of your local supermarket. Those big companies get huge price breaks to crank out millions of bottles of low-quality supplements, pills, and potions. That is the exact opposite of what we do here at Marine Essentials. We use the most cutting-edge research and then circle the globe to find the very best ingredients in the most pure formulations. But that literally limits the supply of this amazing supplement each month, because Cinol comes from Korea and Calamarine from Norway. Now, the regular price for Marine D3 is $140 a bottle. That's a complete bargain when you take into consideration that we only use the most advanced ingredients and cutting-edge formulations found anywhere on the globe, which we then ship to our independent FDA-approved lab and formulate each and every capsule using the most advanced equipment available. And then these small quantities are shipped directly to your door. Marine D3 is not available in any store or on any other website. Now, here's another thing. If you tried to get your hands on the ingredients in a single capsule of Marine D3 separately, you'd pay well over $140. But since you've made the cut into our special VIP group, you're not going to pay $140. You won't even pay $100, not even $90. Nope. When you act right now, you'll get your hands on a full bottle of Marine D3 in this special VIP offer for only $67. That's a savings of over $70 off the regular price, only 67 cents per dose. Do you think that looking better, feeling younger and more refreshed, knowing that your body is getting all of the support it needs is worth a measly 67 cents? I think so too, but I'm not stopping there. If you act right away and reserve 4 bottles of Marine D3, you'll have a spot in our private VIP group. That entitles you to our VIP pricing at only $49.95 per bottle. That's more than half off, a savings of over $90 per bottle. Now, why would I approve such a drastic price break? The answer is actually simple. In our pursuit to push the boundaries of our research, we need people to share their results with us, specifically the ever-increasing benefits that begin to start when you've been taking Marine D3 for 30 days or more. To that end, I've instructed the lab to set aside an entire supply of Marine D3 so that you can share your success stories with us. And my team of scientists will have a growing body of evidence to show the long-term properties of this amazing product. Think about it. You'd pay more than $49.95 for a private lesson with a trainer or a bag of groceries filled with fruits and veggies, or 10 days of getting your coffee at Starbucks. None of those things, not even the bag of veggies, can give you the 24/7 complete peace of mind that comes when you take Marine D3 just once a day. Are you ready to experience the power of Marine D3? Good, but I'm going to make you a deal you can't pass up. You don't even have to make that decision now. In fact, I'm so totally confident that you'll love Marine D3 and it's going to change your life for the better. I'm doing something our accountants are telling me I simply cannot do. I'm going to let you try Marine D3 for 2 full months. And if for any reason you're not fully delighted with the results, simply return the unused portion and I'll buy it back. That's right, I'll send you a full 2-month supply right now, and if at any time you decide it's just not working for you, just return the unused portion and I'll buy it back. Plus, I'm going to give you $10 for giving it an honest try. That's a better than 100% money back guarantee. I can't make this deal much better than that, don't you agree? Am I nuts? Well, maybe, but I want to personally get our awesome Marine D3 into as many VIP hands as I can before our supplies run out. I'm 100% convinced of the power of Marine D3. I'm willing to stick my neck out there and take all the risk. I want you to experience the effects of our proprietary blend of deep-sea marine extracts and ingredients for yourself and wake up to a healthier, more vibrant you. And if you don't, I'll give you your money back plus $10. I have a hunch that these ingredients combined might be one thing you're missing right now, even if you're taking other supplements, even if you have a great diet and exercise program already in place. But you won't know that if you don't try it. But let me give you fair warning. Because of the dramatic results that people like you are already experiencing, you may find out that you have to be humble when people start to compliment you on how young and vibrant you have become. Okay, but here's the situation though. You're really going to need to act right now. We've only set aside a certain number of bottles for our VIP membership, and when they're gone, they are gone. Picture this for me now. Picture the confidence and excitement you're going to feel flooding into your body. Imagine your healthy heart, your focused, youthful mind, your healthy joints, and an abundance of confidence. And then imagine all of this without the worry of having to try and attempt to grow old gracefully all by yourself. With Marine D3 and our team of researchers always striving to find the next best, most cutting-edge improvements and enhancements in anti-aging science, you'll never have to go it alone again. So right now, you have 2 options as I see it. You can keep spending hundreds of dollars on new books, diets, exercise plans, and potions and try and make it on your own with 0 results. Or option 2, if we haven't sold out by the time you read this, join us right now and get your personal supply of Marine D3 on its way to you. But hurry, I cannot stress this enough. You need to act now to secure your place in our VIP test group. There are literally hundreds of people watching this very same video right now, and soon there will be a button appearing below this video. When it does, you need to click it right away and fill out the information on the very next page to get your spot secured. Now, because you've watched all the way to this point, it becomes clear to me that 2 things are true about you. Number 1, you're serious about your health and you're ready to take action. And number 2, you know that you're looking for something to take you to the next level, something that will help you from the inside out on a cellular level to give your body the fuel it needs to overcome neuro burnout, fatigue, and supercharge your body and help maintain healthy blood flow. Click the Claim Your Spot Now button below before it disappears. However, if the next page says sold out, I apologize in advance, but someone else has already taken your spot, and for now, you've missed out on this fantastic opportunity. I urge you, don't let that happen. Click the button below, fill out the next page, and we'll rush your first shipment of Marine D3 straight to your door. In less than 48 hours after receiving it, you can start experiencing the support for your heart, mind, eyes, skin, and so much more. It's guaranteed. It's really that easy. Just click the button to see if you made the final cut and to see if your spot is still available. Don't forget, when you order the 4-bottle option, the price of Marine D3 drops even lower to just $49.95 per bottle and 50 cents per pill. That's more than half off and a savings of over $90 per bottle. Plus, remember, if you're not satisfied for any reason, you can return the unused portion of your Marine D3 and get a full refund. Plus, $10 just for trying it. You really have nothing to lose. Click the button below right now to get started before it's too late. There's no time to waste. I wish I could make that decision for you and press that button so I could personally guarantee that you'd get your spot. But it's up to you now. You remember the saying, "He who hesitates is lost"? Well, this saying is especially true for people looking for a better life. In fact, it should really be, "He who hesitates will lose." Why do I say that? Because if you let life pass you by and hesitate, you have zero chance to experience the difference Marine D3 will make. Click the button on this page and claim your spot in our exclusive test group before it's taken away by someone else. Now, one more thing. Do you secretly find yourself looking at other people thinking, "Why can't I be as healthy as that person?" Or that somehow you're just getting older at a more rapid pace than your peers? It doesn't have to be that way anymore. You can be that person. Click the button and get your personal supply of Youth Revitalizing Marine D3 started now, and don't give Father Time another minute of your life. Take action. Take control of your health and your life. Be one of the very first people in the entire world to get access to this ocean-based discovery called Marine D3. Thank you for watching this video, and I wish you the very best of luck. To the lucky few who are about to reserve their supply of Marine D3 and get in on the other side, I have an exclusive surprise waiting for you right after you do. I hope to see you there soon. And remember, our personal 100% satisfaction guarantee. All you have to do is say, "Yes, I want to support my entire body, brains, eyes, heart, and joints with the deep sea nutrients in Marine D3. I understand I can return the product at any time and request a 100% money-back refund, less shipping and handling, if any, with absolutely no hassle. Plus, all of the free reports are mine to keep no matter what." Click the Add to Cart button right below to get your first shipment of Marine D3 shipped directly to your door, plus your 3 extra special bonuses for taking action to support your overall health right now. You'll be so happy you did when you start seeing immediate results.